My name is Emma Jedmers, and this is my presentation on centipedes. Centipedes fall under the class Insecta, which is best known for their segmented bodies, jointed legs, and exoskeleton. It is one of the largest classes full of a wide variety of specimens. Their subclass is Chilopoda, which directly translates to lip and pus foot, which refers to the first pair of legs that is modified with a set of jaws. Of course, their common name is just centipedes. On the Tree of Life, they belong to the largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia, which is Arthropoda, which are known for their adaptable body plan, allowing them to fill many niches and fit into many habitats. They're also best known for their large variation, which is those traits I mentioned earlier, their jointed legs and segmented bodies, as it truly sets them apart as unique organisms. There are 5 branches underneath Arthropoda: the trilobites, the Trilacea, the Crustacea, the Myriapoda, and Hexapodia. Centipedes fall under the subphylum Myriapoda, which refers to a myriad of legs, as they have one leg for each body segment. Of course, again, their class is Chilopoda, which is noted for their first pair of legs being jaw-like claws, a trait that comes up again and again due to its uniqueness. Centipedes tend to live in damp, dark environments. They prefer underneath rocks, logs, as well as decaying plant matter such as rotting trees or rotting logs. Some also enter the households of human beings, and there they again prefer dark, damp environments such as your bathroom or your basement, even closets. They don't tend to come out in the daytime, as they are nocturnal creatures and will hide in nooks and crannies and cracks during the day. In tropical areas, they can actually grow bigger due to the higher humidity, reaching up to a foot in size, which allows them to hunt larger creatures. Centipedes are generalist feeders that often eat other small bugs. They're not very picky and will eat almost anything. They'll hunt at night utilizing their antennae, which has olfactory sensory capabilities, allowing them to sense through the use of CO2 or just feel the vibrations. They use chewing mouthparts of mandibles and a pair of maxillae to crunch down on their prey once they have caught it. They may also just eat decaying plant matter. They have a modified first pair of legs that are referred to as fangs, as allows them to sink into their prey, and their prey is going to correlate with their size. The smaller ones will prefer small bugs, but the bigger ones can eat things such as mice or snakes. They're preferred by birds just due to their taste, but smaller, larger creatures such as shrews, toads, and badgers may also attack them. Here's an example of a centipede attacking a mouse. You can see that first pair of legs right here, sinking right into that thing, immobilizing it, and then chowing down on it. It's truly a dangerous creature, and those bites do hurt because of the venom. But don't worry, they don't tend to attack humans unless threatened. The importance of centipedes is, again, they don't tend to attack humans unless they feel threatened. They'll keep down the pest numbers in your home because they'll just keep munching away on them. They really like flies, cockroaches, ants, all that stuff that you don't want in your house, and they don't even like being around you, so beneficial. They won't damage your items because they don't care or need them, and they won't attack your plants because they only like decaying plants, so as long as you take care of them, you're fine. They can actually help maintain your garden since they are going to feed off of the populations within it. Then in the wild, they're also just going to generally keep down other populations due to their generalist nature. They also aid in the breakdown of plant matter when they consume it and release it as waste, allowing the nutrients to be reabsorbed into the environment. Their unique traits is, again, those first pair of legs adapting with venom glands. That's what sets them apart, and you can see them right here. The tarsus is what's actually the claw, letting it sink in. Their antennas, again, have sensory capabilities, allowing them to sense CO2 and other gases released by living organisms, and they can also feel the vibrations if they put them down to the ground. They have one pair of legs per body segment, as can be seen here, which allows them to move very quickly. Some centipedes also have special adaptations, such as soil centipedes, which can curl themselves into a ball, and stone centipedes that can use their hind legs to throw a sticky substance at prey or predators. Here is my list of citations and my Canva license.